how to buy on Shopify. So in this video, you're going to learn all the different ways that you could go ahead and buy things from Shopify. So let's start. Now to clear things up, first off, Shopify is a tool that helps merchants sell things online. For example, take Gymshark. Gymshark uses Shopify to sell online their sports wear, right? And so if there's an issue with an order or you're requesting a refund, right? If you're the customer, you should not go to Shopify because Shopify will not be able to help you. Even if you reach out to their support team, they're going to tell you to reach out to, let's say, Gymshark, right? Or your merchant of choice of where you bought the product from. So that's really important to know. All right. So how do you buy on Shopify, right? It's very simple. So let's take an example of where I want to buy, let's say, these Gymshark shorts. Okay, so you'll be able to quickly see in most common Shopify themes or even third-party themes, right? A lot of this is the same style, right? So you'll be able, if you're looking for clothing, right, then it will show you extra small, medium, right? Then it'll show you the out of stock options as well, right? Which is really simple and easy to do. And when you click the product itself, right, you'll be able to see a lot more details, right? You'll be able to see the different colors of products that they sell as well. You'll be able to see the reviews, if there's any reviews, right? You'll be able to see the size guide as well. And you'll be able to quickly add to the bag as well and see much more photos in large images, right? And you can click on the image, right, to see, how these, how the shorts will look as well, right? And then you'll be able to scroll down and see what Gymshark, let's say in this example, right, is suggesting that you also buy with these shorts, right? Maybe you want to get these socks, right, and then maybe you want to get these conditioning club wash tank tops, right? Or they're gonna suggest other items, right? So once you're happy, let's say I want to buy these shorts, right? I select small and then add to bag. Now that I added to bag, right, it's officially in the bag. So now all I need to do, right, is Gymshark will try to upsell me on maybe some socks, right, that could go with these shorts, right? If I have a discount code, this is where I will want to apply it, right? And then from there, I could quickly just go to checkout securely to complete my checkout, right? And it's very simple, easy to do as well. And that's how you buy things on, let's say, on a store that's being hosted on Shopify, right? The next way, of course, is you have another option to buy on Shopify as well, and that is using the Shop app. So the Shop app, think of it as a marketplace of different products from different Shopify vendors, right? So you could look at, you could do it by category, right? We could look at women, men, beauty, home, fitness, right, etc., right? And then from here, you'll be able to quickly see, all the products that you can sell, right? I mean, that you can buy from the Shop app as well in here, right? So if you're looking for, interesting products, right, then this is, a great way just to locate products that you maybe need, but you don't know, like maybe a good Shopify brand, then you could come here to find it. Now, there's a third way that you can actually buy from Shopify, and that is through tools like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok as well. So if the Shopify store, right, has their Instagram and Facebook accounts connected to the Shopify store, then you as the user will be able to quickly buy things from them, right, from Instagram or the Facebook app without actually having to visit their main store, which is why Shopify is a very popular platform, right, for a lot of merchants, because they make it easy for you to buy things from online stores without actually having to go to their site, right? And so that's a third option that you have to buy within Shopify. And then the least and not last, right, this is a new option now that you'll have when it comes to buying things on Shopify, right, is now you'll be able to buy things through ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, right, and Shopify have partnered together to now, when you're searching for things, let's say on ChatGPT, like what are some best hiking boots, right? So, or what to look for in best hiking boots, right? ChatGPT is going to provide you the answers, right? And then it will also provide you a product suggestion of where you can buy this boot, right? And depending on reviews, right, and a lot of things that it goes into recommending that product, right? And so you'll be able to look something like this, right? Maybe it'll be like, help me find chairs like this, right? And then ChatGPT is gonna show you chairs like this, and maybe a Shopify merchant sells these type of chairs, right? And so that's gonna be another fourth option that you'll be able to do when it comes to buying things on tools like ChatGPT. So that's pretty much it on how to buy on Shopify. You have right now about 4 ways. You either have the merchant's online website, like, right? So that's like Gymshark, for example, right? You can use a directory like Shop App, right? That shows you all the top Shopify vendors, right? And their products that they're selling. You can buy from Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. And then of course now you can buy from ChatGPT inside as well. So hopefully this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, right, please comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them.